Good wet morning, everybody. Yeah, it's raining again. Everybody's going to pee in the toilet underneath the tree where it's nice and dry. Well, drier. It's cold and it's wet. Cold and wet, and the grass is growing. It's pretty dry under this tree. Pretty dry. She wants to go to the toilet, but she keeps on getting dribbled on. Poor girl. Boy, down there's investigating. The birds like to be down there. And he always has to sniff at the birds. What have the birds been doing on my lawn? You can see where the dogs have been going. With flat spots. Every now and a spot. Yeah, there's one of our little wrens in this bush. He says, I'm wet. I'm wet. Our little, what are they? I can't remember what they're called. Uncle Yukon said he found out what they are. Princess wrens or something, I think they are. And I've got the fire going. Because it's cold. I've lost my pepperonis. There's a pepperoni in there. There's a wolf. There's a wolf. A wild wolf. Yes, there is. Hey, big boy. There's a Tikaani. Coming out of the bushes. Coming out of the bushes, hey sweetie. He says, yeah, I'm not silly enough. I'm staying underneath this big tree. And I still haven't planted any plants yet, any of the council free plants in this lot. So out of the lot, this one is starting to come back. Does have some green, so it might survive. This one has got a green stem. I think this one's a lost cause. An acacia. I don't think that's made it. I think that's dead. And this one is another acacia. So I don't think that's going to survive either. So I might have lost two acacias. Well, that's not too bad because I'm only supposed to have what is it? 8. And I got 12. They gave me 12 plants. Was it 6 plants? I can't remember now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? 11, 12, yeah, 12 there. And I'm only supposed to have 8. But so they told me to take a couple more, which is good because I'm going to lose a couple. Because I can't plant the ones that are flowering. We've got 2 there that are flowering. It's going to be a nice flower, that one, isn't it? Is that one? Yes, that's that one. Mark Miller. Which is, it's only a small one, 30 centimetres, so 1 foot high. It's only a foot high. It's only a low tree, low little bush. Just gotta find a good spot for it. Little boy's just about done. He says, it's wet out here, Dad, I don't like it. Yeah, big boy. Your sister's opened the door ready for you. She's not sticking around. I'll see you later, everyone. I'll catch you later.